have been inspired by nature since the beginning of time. In those bygone days, when we did not know how to make synthetic dyes, people extracted color from nature to color their world. The color purple is considered a royal color because it was so hard to extract this color. Today, these natural dyes are gaining popularity as an alternative to environmentally harmful synthetic dyes. Hello, 5th to 8th graders. In this kit, we will see what gives flowers their colors, extract those colors, see if we can alter those colors, maybe even paint a picture with those colors. In your kit, you will have some baking soda and some citric acid, which will help you alter the pH of the water, and you will get the instructions to extract these flower dyes. Let's begin. Collect some flowers from your garden or from a wild patch near your house and separate the petals of a certain color into a microwave-safe container. Flowers get their colors because the genes in their DNA direct them to produce certain pigments. Pigments are organic compounds that give color to plant and animal tissue. The colors are not just ornamental, they also have a purpose, like the chlorophyll in leaves. Gives it the green color, but also helps in photosynthesis, or the hemoglobin that is in your blood cells that makes it red, but also helps in absorbing oxygen. Flowers get their colors to attract pollinators. Some flowers even develop their colors to please humans because we cultivate them. The colors in the petals of flowers are produced by chemicals that are water soluble. This makes it easy for us to extract this color. So now, when you have all the petals separated out into a microwave safe container, add just enough water to cover the petals. Like so. Then place the container in a microwave until the water boils, and be careful when you take it out. Leave it to cool down a little for about 10 minutes, and then see if the color has been extracted into the water. If not, you can aid the process by crushing the petals with a spoon. You can see here the pigment has been extracted into the water. So the color of the water is the color of the petals that we had here. And here is some from the dandelion flowers. Since the dyes are water-soluble chemicals, do you think altering the pH of the water would change the colors? pH is the scale that measures the amount of acidity or the basicity of a solution, in this case, water. So now, by altering that pH, by adding an acid or a base, let's see if it changes the color of our dyes. Now, which flower do you think this color came from? And how about this one? Do all flowers give you the same amount of pigment in the water? Do some flowers do better? Can you make color, say like brown or black, with other parts of a plant? Be inspired by nature and create your masterpiece.